Hello children, as we have learned this chapter, Gopal and Hills of Fish earlier, so now we are going to recap the chapter Gopal and Hills of Fish with the help of these question answers. Question 1. How were the customers convinced by the fishmongers? The fishmongers convinced the customers by saying that the price had been down that day. What do you know about Gopal? Gopal is known for his wisdom and presence of mind and was a courtier in the king's court. What did Gopal's wife think about him? Why did she feel that? Gopal's wife thought that her husband had gone mad because he had smeared ash on his face and he was shabbily dressed. That's why her wife was feeling that he was dressing shabbily and it was not for a normal man to do that. What were the remarks of two men on seeing Gopal in the market? On seeing Gopal, a man said that he must be a madman, while the other called him a mystique. Why did the king congratulate Gopal? The king congratulated Gopal for winning the challenge that he forced upon him to bring the fish to the court without being in any kind of conversation about it. What happened when the king heard his courtiers talking about Hilsa fish? The king was irritated as everyone was discussing nothing but the fish. When his courtiers were talking about Hilsa fish, he lost his temper and warned them that they were courtiers and not fishermen. But the talking soon felt guilty, looking at his nervous and humble courtier when he had rebuked. His tone changed and he said that it was the season of Hilsa and nobody could be stopped of talking about it. What strange things did Gopal do? Gopal had half shaven his face, smeared ash over himself, had put on rags, and was looking disgraceful. His wife asked Gopal the reasons for such weird acts. Gopal told her that he was going to buy a Hilsa fish. At last, even she concluded that Gopal had gone mad because she has never seen her husband like that, so she was thinking that her husband had gone mad. Why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? Everyone around the king was talking about Hilsa fish. This had infuriated the king, so he did not want anyone to talk about the Hilsa fish. What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? The king asked Gopal to buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking anything about the fish throughout the way to prove that he was clever. What three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? Before he went to buy Hilsa fish, Gopal half shaved his face, smeared himself with ash, and wore disgraceful rags so that everybody pay attention on his dress up, not on Hilsa fish. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? When Gopal asked the guards to let him meet king, they refused because Gopal was in a disgraceful manner. Therefore, he began to dance and sing loudly so that he can catch the attention of the king. On hearing his loud song, the king sent his messenger to call him in the court. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. No one was interested about the Hilsa fish Gopal had bought because of Gopal's condition. He was wearing rugs, his face was half shaven, and ash was smeared over his body. People were more interested in his appearance than the fish. They were thinking that he has gone mad, that what had happened to Gopal, why he is wearing such a kind of dress. That's why people were not bothering about the fish. They were completely looking at the Gopal. If a person takes challenges, he put in his efforts to win it. How? One should be resolute and firm. Yes, we should not give up in any situation. We should find out a solution to come out of it. Sometimes it might be tough to find the solution, but if we try hard, nothing is impossible. We learn from the efforts we make in life. If we won't make efforts, then our learning will stop. What was the challenge given to him by the king? How he won it? Gopal happily accepted the challenge of buying a huge hilsa fish from the market and to ensure on the way from the market to the palace no one should talk to him about the fish. He was an intelligent man. He dressed up like a madman and his appearance caught everyone's attention. He reached the court without anyone talking about the hilsa fish as everyone was drawn towards his appearance. Why was Gopal stopped entry to the palace? What did he say to the king? Gopal looked suspicious or rather mystique since he had dressed himself filthily. Moreover, his beard was half shaven and ash was smeared on it. In addition to that, the guards barred his entry in the palace. He started dancing and singing loudly so that the king might hear him and call him inside. The king ordered him to be taken inside, but he could not recognize him. When Gopal reminded him of his challenge and proved that he had fulfilled it, then the king was surprised and burst into laughter. Now we will do some of the artises. King, I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the reason for Hilsa fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa, not even for 5 minutes. Who said these lines and to whom? Why did he lose his temper? Whose name did he mention in his comment? Why did the king ask for forgiveness? Give synonyms of temper. The king said these lines to the courtier. He lost his temper when he heard everyone talking about Hilsa fish. The king mentioned the name of Gopal in his comment. The king asked for forgiveness as he snubbed the courtier very harshly. So you can see that the king is having a very kind nature. And the opposite of temper is mood. Synonym of temper is mood. Gopal. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Why was it strangely enough for Gopal? Who has spoken these lines and to whom? Where did he come from? What were his expectations? Choose the adverb of strange from the passage. It was strangely enough because no one talked about Hilsa fish that day. These lines are spoken by Gopal to the king. He had come from market to the court. He was expecting that anyone would talk about Hilsa fish. And the adverb is strangely. I hope the chapter is clear to you all. Thank you, everyone.